Hello guys, welcome back to NS Knowledge World. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a calculator app in code.org. So nothing to do, go on Google, search code.org and create an account and come here and click on create and select app lab. So this type of screen will come here. So for making a calculator, we have to drag, and first you can change your theme. I want it as orange theme. So first we have to drag and label, yeah, like this. Then change its ID like view result. You can do view result, yes, and change its text as you will get your result here. Here, yes. Then you can change its text font size. It is 13. I will change it to 20. If you want more, you can do. Okay. And now we have to drag a text input. Two text inputs here. Change its size to anything you can change. We have to drag two, so I'm making the size small. Drag it here. Change its size. Yes, like this. And now we have to drag four buttons here. Drag one button, change its ID as add button, change the button text as add, drag one more button, change its ID as subtract button, change its button text as subtract, drag one more button, change its ID as multiply button, change the button text as multiply, and now drag the last button here, and that will be divide. So the ID text will be divide button, the text will be divide. Yes, now our designing is done. Now we'll go on code. This type of screen will appear. Drag the on event block here like this. Change ID to add button, and on event is in computer language. On event means when. So when add button click, the function would be, we have to do add. So we will type in small letters add here. Now we have to uh, drag a block of set text ID text here like this. Change the ID button to view result and addition. So go on math, drag the addition block here like this. Go on UI control again and get the block of Get the block of get number here like this. Change the ID to text input 3. Before in this screen I have done something, so the 1 and 2 option was gone, so I have 3. If you are doing first time, it would come 1 and 2. So here change it to text input 1, and get one more get number of block here like this. Change it to text input 4 like this, 4 or 2, anything. I told you why it is like this. Now the addition block is done. Now we have to do for subtraction. So again drag on event option here, change the ID to subtract button, and the function should be subtract. Type subtract in small letters like this. Now get the set text ID text block here and change the ID to view result. Now go on math, drag the minus block, subtract block here, go on your control and drag the get number block here like this. So no, this is get text, drag the get number option here and change that text input 3, and again drag the get number of a block here and change as text input 4. Now we are doing for multiplication, so drag again the on event block here, change the ID to multiply button. Function should be multiply, so type multiply in small letter like this. Now drag the set text ID text block here and change the ID to view result. Now go on math, drag the multiply block here, yes, like this. Go again on UI controls and drag the get number ID block here and change its ID to text input 3. Now again get the get number ID block. Wait. Again get the get number ID block here and change it to text input 4. Yes. Now our multiplication is also over. Now we'll do for subtraction. So drag the on event block again here and change the ID to divide, and the function is divide, so write in small letters divide. Yes. Now drag the set text ID text block here and change the ID to view result and go on math. Now we are doing divide, so get the divide block over here and again go on UI control and get and drag the get number ID block here and change it to text input 3. Now again drag the get number ID block, wait, again drag the get number ID block here and change it as text input 4. Yes. So guys, yes, we are done with our coding also. So now we'll check if all our codes are correct. Yes, and now click on run option to run your app, and you can add anything here like, oh wait, there is a problem. Click on continue. Here it was paused. Yes, click on continue, and now you can type like 55 and 55, both 55. And if I want to subtract 0, divide 1 and multiply 3025, and if we add 110. So guys, our calculator app is properly made. You can rename this app. Click on the rename option and rename the app. I'll keep it as let's calculate. Okay, now you can save the project, and now you can share it too. Click on the share button, and you can see, you can copy the link or you can send to your phone, and it will be sent to your phone. You can publish it on Facebook, Twitter, or you can publish it on code.org also. The publish option is for the students who do this. Yes, guys. So our calculator app is created. If you like my video, please like it, and please subscribe my channel NS Knowledge World. So bye friends.